And then my last question, I guess, is just about kids and law of attraction. So without going into, um, I guess, detailed information about law of attraction, how can you foster a better belief system with your kids? It's
Yeah,
like, how can you help them get to a place where we're now struggling to get to because we've gone down the wrong path too many times?
and I wouldn't label that as having gone down the wrong path. That's just your cycle of evolution of your path to your growth and expansion. So when it comes to kids, my role as a dad, or my intent as a dad, is to teach my kids to tune into their own inner guidance as much as possible. I think a lot of parents are sheltering their kids in a way that prevents their kids from having certain life experiences. And, as Abraham Hicks says, life experience is the best teacher. And I completely agree with that. So, my take on law of attraction parenting is to allow my kids to develop a strong connection to their inner guidance, learn the ins and outs, learn the fine tuning of trusting that inner guidance, so that as they get older, they don't have to learn it when they're a lot older. They have that, alignment is our superpower. Alignment is, the strongest, most powerful thing that we can get access to. So the more I can assist my kids in learning about alignment, getting into their alignment, and having life experiences that teach them to listen to their inner guidance, I think that's what's going to serve them best.
Perfect. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. That's
I
it.
have a teenager, so I'm like wanting him to go out in life a little lighter than most.
Totally. And it's hard as a parent to see our kids, go through contrast or have their own life experiences. But we have to remember that they came here for that too. And as parents, I think it's about, being a role model and living a happy life as much as possible. And hopefully at some point they'll catch on and say, wow, mom, you're really doing a great job at that. I'd love to learn what you're doing to manifest all these things and to be so happy. And that's when they're open to receiving some of those teachings from us.